Welcome to the First Time Homebuyers Guide. Learn more about the 2009-2010 Federal Housing Tax Credit and the steps along the way for first-timers.
Hi, I'm Angie Bruss. The topic of homeowners insurance can be overwhelming for everyone, especially first-time homebuyers. Well, today we're speaking to an expert to answer a lot of your questions, from homeowners insurance, mortgage insurance, to title insurance.
Insurance is really the driving force of America's economy. Without insurance, homes don't get bought, homes don't get sold. The basic homeowners policy provides coverage for property and liability. So if the first thing is the house itself. So if you have a fire to your house, for instance, it's going to pay to replace the damage done up to the policy limit. The other thing is if you have a fire and you have to move out, you have to live someplace else. So the third thing is indirect cost, additional living expenses to live someplace else while your house is being repaired or restored. More construction goes on, the more apt you are to flood, because the water runs off of concrete much faster than it does and soaks into the ground. So a property that may not show up in the flood area because of large construction in the area may actually be susceptible to flooding when you think it's not. Many people have done that for many years because then they have some sort of assurance that the mortgage will be paid. Sometimes that's true and sometimes it's not. You're much better off to buy a level term amount of insurance where you're assured of how much you're going to get. Title insurance just guarantees the title skill. Insurance agents per se don't really get into the sale of insurance. That's usually done through an abstract company. Title insurance basically guarantees the property that's being sold or the money being lent on the property is in good title and it can be bought and sold without risk of somebody coming back in and saying, hey, that's mine. To me, insurance is a wonderful value.